Hello, if you have ever thought about making money online or you have ever wanted to make money through affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to teach you 5 steps to start your own career in affiliate marketing. But before I do that, I want you to go ahead, like this video, comment, and most importantly, smash that subscribe button so that when I post a video of similar content, you will be the first to get notified. And believing that you have done that already, let us go in this video in details. So let's get into the steps. In starting affiliate marketing, there are 5 major important things or steps you need to take. The first one is identify the type of product to promote. In every business, you must have an idea of what you want to do. So is affiliate marketing. So you must identify the type of product you want to promote, and this entails you getting a particular niche for you to get a product to promote. For instance, it can be education niche, it can be financial niche, and the rest. So by the end of this video, I am going to show you 3 hottest and fast selling niches that you can go into as an affiliate marketer that never runs dry. So once you go into any of these 3 niches and get a product from these 3 niches to promote, I guarantee you that you are going to make a whole lot of sales. All right, so let's jump into the second step. So the second step is build your traffic source or audience. Yes, you heard me right. In fact, it is believed that there's no affiliate marketing, in fact there's no business without traffic source or audience. So for me, I would have even put this as the first step. All right, so build a traffic source, build an audience. And how do you build your audience? This is majorly an online business, so you may have to consider which platform your potential buyers are congregating in, and this could be on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on TikTok, Pinterest, and or even WhatsApp, or even more. So but I'm going to tell you that if you actually want to boost your sales, there are 3 major important platforms where you will get your potential audience or buyers. And this important platform is the first 3 platforms that you are seeing on my screen right now: Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And if you actually want to know how you can target people, or if you want to know how you can drive traffic through any of these platforms, then you are going to click on the link below to join my Telegram group, where I will be sharing how I do it, how I get my target audience in this platform, and how I sell my product to them. And I believe that having done that, let's get to the next step, which is step 3: identify high-paying and trusted brokers to promote their product. Aside you having a good audience, you need to also know that the companies you are working with are going to pay you a good commission before you start promoting their product. All right, and this will entail you getting good and high-paying brokers, and even trusted ones, because at times some companies, like in my own case, there was a company that actually, even up to today, they are owing me my $700. So some companies, they might refuse to pay you, and that is one of the disadvantages in this business. Okay, so you need to identify some verified companies that you know can pay you. And some of these companies are, you could have like ClickBank, although as a Nigerian you cannot apply for ClickBank. Okay, you cannot even promote goods with ClickBank. You have ShareASay, you have OfferVote, you have Amazon, Max Bounty, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and even countless others. Right, so you just have to get a well-known company that you can promote their product depending on the type of niche you want. And the thing is, some of these brokers can pay you as a minimum of $500 per sign up. Yes, like for you to actually just make a sale for them, they will pay a minimum of $500. So if you want to know these brokers that I use that pay me up to $500 per sale, then you already know what to do. Click on that link on the description button and get to my Telegram group, where I'll be revealing these secrets of mine. And then having done that, let's get to the next step, which is adopt a marketing strategy. You must have a good strategy of selling what or promoting whatever you want to promote. This strategy may range from building a sales funnel. You can use sales funnel to promote whatever good, and this will entail you getting the skills of how to build a sales funnel. And I'm actually going to make a video on how to make a sales funnel. So if you're actually interested in watching this video, just go down the comment section and write sales funnel, and then I will drop the next video of how you can build a sales funnel. Another marketing strategy you can use is writing a simple review of the product and attaching your affiliate link with it. You can go to any of these platforms or even websites and write a simple review of the product, how you feel about the product with anything, and then attach your affiliate link to it. The truth is, if people read your reviews about this product and they feel it's something that is personal to them or they feel attached to it, they might go ahead and click on your affiliate link and make a purchase of this product. And after that, you know what happens. Of course, you are going to get your commission. Another way is building a simple landing page. Of course, if you don't know how to build a landing page, you can click on that link on the card showing on this video right now, and then it will take you to where you will learn how to build a simple landing page. And then you have to grow your email list and promote your product through email. All right, so this time around you are doing what is called email marketing. So you just have to just build a simple landing page where people can go and fill out their names and email, and then you have to follow them up in their email and do email marketing. If you also want to learn email marketing, click on that link on the Telegram link and join my group as fast as possible. The next step is learn and copy what others are doing. Yes, you heard me right. If you actually want to succeed in affiliate marketing business, then you must learn from the best. You must learn from people that have been doing it for so long. Organically, you can do this by just following these people on their social media handles and seeing the type of things they post, and even maybe engaging them in chats and talking with them. And then another way is you can also do this by making purchase of courses on affiliate marketing and implementing whatever you will learn from the course. Buy good courses that will teach you because most of these people, they will not even release the information of how they do most of these things just like that to anybody. So they might put it in the form of a course which you need to pay some certain amount of money, and then you get most of the things you will need to start affiliate marketing, and then you implement what you will learn from the course. And I really believe you have seen these 5 steps and you are enjoying this video. Just don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and then we'll go into the 3 most important and hottest niche to go into as an affiliate marketer. And I know that this is what you have all been waiting for. All right, so the first and evergreen niche, one of the first evergreen niche in affiliate marketing which you can get into is the finance niche. So in the finance niche is like everybody wants to make money. All right, so if you have any product concerning how to make money, people would definitely buy. So you are going to look for companies that actually deal with anything concerning finance. This may include just ebooks on how to make money online, anything, as long as it is concerned with how to make money. It can be anything concerning business, as long as it's how to make money. You get their product, and what do? You start promoting it. And I guarantee you that once you have a product like this, people who are looking for how to make money online will actually buy it, because everybody, most importantly, why everybody is online is actually to find a way of making quick and easy money, right? So the second niche is the health niche. Yes, they said health is wealth. All right, so people want to live a healthy life, so you need to find products that are in the health niche. This can be like weight loss programs, weight loss products, or even weight loss drugs, or even skincare products, or whatever, as long as it can give people good health, because afterwards there is health. All right, so you can get products here and it never runs dry. You will definitely see people that are rushing into buying it because people want to have a good health before they consider any other thing else. And after that, the next and the third and the last niche is the relationship niche. Yes, people want a good relationship. Aside having money and having good health, they want a good relationship either with their spouse, with their lover, with their friends, or even so people need products that we advise them. So if you have any product that is written concerning the relationship, whether it's an ebook or anything, it is definitely going to sell. People will buy it. So these 3 hot niches are the evergreen niches in affiliate marketing. And if once you have any product in this niche, then you are actually going to make a lot of money. And believing that you have learned something, that brings us to the end of this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, smash on the subscribe button so that when we post a video of similar content, you'll be the first to get notified. And having said that, I say I'll see you in my next video. Bye.